Well, one of those days, blown tire, middle of the highway. For a minute, I thought we weren't gonna make it out because the scissor jack that's in the car, I didn't have the thing with it, the hook that lets you get leverage so you can actually maneuver it. But what we did, so we used the ratchet and kind of did that. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. Hopefully we get out of here before Opos show up. Alright, well, let's get home now. Yeah, so that was fun. I got pretty lucky though, because it was just like the sidewall blew out and then the tire didn't like really blow from the front. When it's the side like this, it's not really that bad. So it was all nice. We have a lead on some tires from a guy on Marketplace. We got to meet him around 4. So what we're gonna do now is take some tires off the MR2 and put them on the Yaris, and then go pick up the new tires. Is make sure a real jack is in this car. It's like that method, never again. Yeah, so now it's time for musical tires. Grew up playing Pokemon, you know, so it's like my team helping each other out right now. Baton passing. I think that was the other tire blowing. Oh no, that's somebody's door. Here comes the harvester, the tire harvester. Which one are we taking? Oh, well, actually, this might be our best candidate. Yeah, it's these two, I think. We'll take these two. Let's hear everything break as it lifts. Sounds good. It's actually the first time we've seen this, so cool. Yo, someone clip that while I'm working on this, where you see me saying, hey, this MR2 is a front wheel drive car, so I look like an idiot. What if I just throw it in the back if it will survive? It's got a puncture in it. Younger Brandon would have. He's a hooligan. Okay, with all the tires changed, albeit with that back one, back passenger one being a little sketchy, we're about to make our 20-minute drive to pick up the new ones. We got a Celica GTS right here. Picked up the tires. Dude was super cool. He's got a green AW11 that he's working on. It's badass to meet a fellow AW11 dude. According to this, we should be at 32 PSI. The wheels we have are American Racing 25, and from what I could find online, it requires standard or regular conical wheel nuts. This is the difference in the steel wheel and the conical, and they're pretty much the same. From my understanding, the conical or the steel wheel is a cone. Well, with that, we have some sick wheels. Thanks for hanging out. From here, I'm gonna go take a test drive, make sure nothing blows up. I'm thinking about getting one of those Harbor Freight tire changers and pouring like a slab of concrete for it. If you're interested in that, leave a comment or hit the like button. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.